Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why are your iPhone calls going straight to voicemail. First of all, you should go to the settings, and if you go to focus, then if you're using any of the focus modes, if you are just having them enabled, once you slide down from the right top part of the screen, you'll find focus. If you can't find this button, then click on plus in top left corner and add it to the list. You can see now I've enabled do not disturb. That's gonna silence my notifications. And to change it, if you still want to use do not disturb, if you just don't want to disable it, you can actually go to do not disturb, then go to people and select allow calls from, and instead of having it set to allowed people only, set it to everybody, favorites, or contacts only. I'm gonna set it to everybody, so there's no problem with that. And now the next thing is in your phone app. If you go to apps, then if you go to phone, okay, never mind. There are gonna be a few things. So silence unknown callers, if that option is enabled, it's gonna just, if you don't have someone in your contacts list, it's gonna put them in voicemail. Also, unknown callers, if that's enabled, then they also will end up in voicemail. So these may be the problem. The next thing is gonna be in settings in FaceTime. If you go to FaceTime, disable it, disable the FaceTime, then re-enable it. Wait a moment. There should appear your numbers. We'll see that in a moment. Yeah, they are here. But yeah, also here, unknown callers, silence unknown callers, and FaceTime spam. Try disabling these. Here, make sure that you can be reached by FaceTime at your number, and that your caller ID is your number. That should help you working. If it didn't, then try restarting your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons. Slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds, and then press and hold on the power button until your phone turns on. Now, if this didn't help, go to general and go to software update, and if there's any update available, try installing it so your phone may fix some bugs by installing the newest software update. Now, I think that the last thing is try sliding down from the right top part of the screen, enable the airplane mode, wait for 10 seconds, turn it off, and see if it works now. And I hope that this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.